So this is an example for the graphing the Fourier series, in this case of a triangular wave. The book has the sawtooth and the square wave, so I'm not taking anything away here. Away from you. So this is how it's going to look like, and just for a moment you actually saw an original sine wave. This isn't the equation that's behind it, but I'm going to make it more simple because I really just need the sign here. I need the -1 to the whatever power that is, because that will give me then a negative or positive in front of each one, and then I need this into a -2 here, which of course is going to go to the denominator. So here we go, and here you already see it actually. This is what I just described. I just need that -1 there to the whatever power, and there will be more than just a 0. You can see that here. See that 1, 3, and so on. And I wonder if I left the I left the 2 out. I'm going to fix that right now. Okay, so as I said, I just fixed that, and in fact I could have recorded it because then you could have watched me. So here's the 2. I forgot that earlier. So that's what I need. And then if I just graph the sign by itself, there it is, right? But if I progress of putting more terms in here, in fact this is just a 0th term in the first term, you see that was almost a triangular wave, and here it definitely is a triangular wave. And then there is a shortcut for this one here with the summation, which is basically the same thing as before. And as I said, I just want to show you how to do it, and Desmos is so user-friendly that this is really going to be a breeze here. So I'm going to do y equals, and then parentheses -1, close the parenthesis. I'm not going to do, now I'm going to do the dash, there we go, to the whatever power. I'm going to start with the 0 power, then go 1 over times, and then I'm going to do sine, and here I'm following what I just saw on Wikipedia. So I'm going to open a second parenthesis, 2 times 0 here, and the 0 will change to 1, 2, 3, and so on, plus another 1, there we go, times x, close the parentheses. Now I'm going to do divide, and that gives me automatically a fraction bar. I'm going to copy this one here so I don't have to retype it. So I just put that in there, and again a dash because this needs to be a square. So here's your typical sine wave. Oops, just sine. Okay, great. No, I almost deleted it because I clicked on that one there. Let's see, plus, I'm going to add this one here, and then when I put a 1 here, there we go, and there we go, wherever it says a 0 and 1. And notice that already after the second term, this is really looking triangular. And I'm going to put another one here, and this here would be a second term. That's the one that I forgot earlier. There we go. And so it's really straightforward how to do that. And so this one here, I actually, that's fine. Actually, I'm going to squeeze it in here. So this here would be just the sine wave itself. This is the 0th in the first term, and we already can see the little triangle coming up there. And then this was the 0, the first and the second term, and then this 0 through the 4th. And if I use the summation sign here, this one here, and I go, for example, to 4, or if I go to 9, I mean, you cannot distinguish it from the triangle, really. This, by the way, is another way of doing it. Right, oh, I want to show you how to do the sum. Also really easy. Y equals, and then I type sum, and it automatically comes up with the summation sign. It tells me, hey, n equals, and starting at 0, and then going all the way to whatever I choose, 7, for example. And then I keep typing here what needs to be under the summation sign. I know it looks a little screwy right now. There we go. All right. Now it's your turn, either for the sawtooth wave, or for the square wave.